Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have some exciting news. So we actually have a huge sale, an early Black Friday sale for Madam Glam. I have a coupon code that's 50% off. Usually my discount code is 30 and they decided to give me one for 50% off. And the puddle gels are also a part of it. I'm so excited. Literally, I asked for them because they were originally VIP only, or they are VIP only. And during this sale, they're allowing people who are not VIP to get them, and for a great deal. So you have to add 3 or more items for that 50% to come off. So I'm so excited. The pudding gels are also available to you guys, especially because I have seen such good reviews. I'm going to swatch them, so don't worry about that. And then I also have the velvet matte top coat. So Amy, I'll link her channel below. She recommended that I get this because she loves hers. So naturally, you gotta do what you gotta do. So I asked for one of those and they were kind enough to send it to me. So we have 6 colors here and my cat's screaming bloody murder. So let's get into it. You know, I'm actually going to open all of them. All right, I saved everybody the heartache of me trying to open these. So this is in the color Teal. And here we go. Let's see how it applies. Again, I have seen a couple other people post about these. That is so, I think I still have some red or orange in there. My bad. Y'all, these are so creamy. This is what I want. I need more of these because I like to apply my stuff with a brush. But like, this is just so thin. Y'all, I'm thoroughly obsessed. So to clean my brushes, you can see I have a little bit of orange left over. I just like to pinch it through and it gets off the color. If you're really worried about color transfer, just use a little bit of clear. All right, next up we have is cinnamon, and this is a super kind of medium brown. Actually would probably look really good with the colors I have on right now. I'm like blown away with how pigmented these are and how thin I can apply them. Like, this is gonna give you no bulk. So you know how sometimes when you apply gel polish or you apply even builder gel and you're applying it and you feel like your nail shape isn't quite what it used to be, this you will have no issues with. It is so thin, I'm speechless. Next color up is Peanut. And this is a nice kind of nude. It's a little bit more of a browner nude, but I think I wonder if you mix these up, if they will get like a different consistency. Because I know the buttercreams, if you mix them up, I mean, y'all see how like, it's almost like melted chocolate. Do we see that? I mean, that's so cool. Yeah, so this is a brown nude. Next up is pale green, and this one speaks my name. These are perfect fall colors, along with obviously your black and white, which will be complete staples. Again, I'm just kind of like playing with it here. I'm gonna bring it up. So like, it just turns into that like melted chocolate. You guys know what I'm talking about? You know when you bite into something and it has just like this kind of melted chocolate? Anyway, I know, I'm crazy. It's fine. Beautiful seafoam green. I actually had a car this color, so it's bringing back, actually it may have been even a little bit more green. Next up we have the black. And black, you want to be very careful when curing, especially if this is going to be as pigmented as the other ones. You're definitely going to want to make sure you do this like super thin. So I like to kind of get my base on, especially for darker colors. And then give it a second and then come in with just a little more. I mean, you can go ahead and cure this one and come in with a second layer. I just like to get a second kind of layer on this as kind of, like it still has a little bit of see-through in it, which is what you want so you can have it cure, but it gives it a little bit more smoothness in my opinion. Last but not least, we have the white. And normally I have a completely separate brush that I use for white, but I'm just going to use this one. So there might be a couple streaks of other colors in it. I know I should just get it out, but I can't get over how pigmented these are. It's crazy. Can we talk about how beautiful these colors are? I'm literally obsessed and they are so smooth. This is them and glossy, and of course you guys know I had to try out their matte top coat. Y'all know I love matte, and look at these guys. I mean, right? Glossy, matte, glossy, matte. I'd like to say a huge thank you to Madam Glam for sending me these pudding gels. They are amazing. I think the last time I was this impressed was that glitter cat eye from Born Pretty, and then these are like right under it. I haven't been like super impressed in a very long time. And then that matte, it looks awesome too. So I'm really happy with these. And don't forget, they are giving me that 50% off coupon with 3 or more items. And you are able to pick these up because they are now available for this Black Friday. Usually they're VIP only, but they're doing it for everybody. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.